Hey everyone, welcome back. This is part 5 of the 6 videos on 30 vegetable recipes. Today I'll be making 5 different vegetable curry recipes with green beans, shallots, green peas, snake gourd and bitter gourd. If you are looking for a specific curry recipe, the time slots are given in the description box below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get started. These are some of the benefits of green beans. Ingredients to make green beans curry. To make this curry, add 2 tablespoons of oil into a pan. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Wait for the mustard seeds to splutter. Now add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 to 3 green chilies, add according to your taste. 1 onion finely chopped. Fry this for a minute or 2. To this add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute this for 30 seconds. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, some salt. Cook these spices for a minute. This is half a cup of raw peanuts. I have washed and soaked it for 2 hours. 150 grams of green beans. Combine everything well. Add a cup of water and cook for about 10 minutes on a low-medium heat. In this stage, add coconut cashew paste. This is 4 tablespoons of grated coconut, 7 to 8 cashew nuts. Grind them into a fine paste and add it to the curry. Simmer this for a minute and turn off the flame. Add some fresh coriander and curry leaves. A tablespoon of butter. This will give extra flavor and taste to the dish. There you go, healthy green beans peanut curry to have with roti and rice. These are some of the benefits of shallots. Ingredients to make stuffed shallot curry. To make this dish, we need extra oil, so 5 tablespoons of oil. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 red chilies, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, some curry leaves, quarter teaspoon of asafoetida powder, 2 onions finely chopped. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on a medium heat or until onion turns translucent. Now add a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry this for a minute. To this I am adding quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, 1.5 tablespoons of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give a mix. Let the spices cook for about 3 minutes on a medium heat. Add half a cup of tomato puree. This is 2 tomatoes. Grind and add it to the curry. Add a teaspoon of salt, give a mix, let it simmer for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare shallots, cut crosswise. Add turmeric, chili powder and salt. Mix well. Let the spices get into the shallots. Add a tablespoon of oil and fry them for about 2 minutes. It's been simmering for a while. Now let's add the fried shallots. Got a cup of tamarind water. I've soaked a small lemon-sized tamarind in warm water for 5 minutes. Crush and extract the water and add it to the curry. Let it simmer for 2 more minutes. Oil has started to separate. That's a sign our dish is perfectly done. Finally, add some coriander leaves and serve hot. Simple yet delicious onion curry is done. Some of the benefits of green peas. These are the ingredients to make green peas curry. To make green peas curry, we need to make a paste. For that, into a pan, add a tablespoon of oil. To that, add 1 onion roughly chopped, 1 tomato roughly chopped, 2 green chilies, 8 cashew nuts, half an inch of ginger, 8 cloves of garlic. Saute this for about 2 minutes. Tomato is nice and soft. Turn off the flame, let it cool down, then grind into a fine paste. Now let's make the curry. Add 2 tablespoons of butter. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. Fry these spices for a while. Add the ground paste. Combine everything well and cook for about 5 minutes on a medium heat or until the rawness goes away. Now in this stage, add a cup of water, add half a cup of green peas and half a cup of cottage cheese, also called paneer. Add a teaspoon of salt, combine everything well and cook for 3 more minutes. Now add half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add a teaspoon of dried fenugreek leaves, also called kasturi methi. Crush and add it. Add 1/4 cup of fresh cream. If fresh cream is not available, you can also use 3 tablespoons of fresh yogurt. Finally, add half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Give everything a good mix. Delightful green peas curry is beautifully done. Serve hot. Some of the benefits of snake gourd. These are the ingredients to make stuffed gourd curry. First, let's make the filling. This is 1 grated potato. Squeeze out the excess water and add it to our plate. A cup of cottage cheese. Crush and add it. 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, a tablespoon of each mint and coriander leaves, to this I am adding half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, some salt. Mix everything well. This is one snake gourd cut into big chunks, deseed it. Now let's fill this with the potato and cottage cheese filling. Likewise, let's fill the remaining chunks and keep it ready. To make curry, add 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan. Add half a teaspoon of fennel seeds, a few curry leaves. This is onion paste. Grind 1 big onion and add it. Fry this until it turns brown. Add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry this for about 30 seconds. Tomato puree, 1 big tomato, grind and add it. Fry this for about 2 minutes. To this I am adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of fennel powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of chilli powder, half a teaspoon of curry powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Add a teaspoon of salt and add the remaining filling. 2 tablespoons of each mint and coriander leaves. Add a cup of water and cook for about 3 minutes. Add stuffed snake gourd, cook on a low flame for about 10 minutes or until the vegetable is done. Vegetable is soft, cook through. Now add half cup of coconut milk and simmer it for a minute. Yummy stuffed gourd curry, give it a try. Some of the benefits of bitter gourd. Ingredients to make bitter gourd gravy. To make bitter gourd curry, first let's fry it. Add a tablespoon of oil. Add the chopped bitter gourd. Always fry and add it to your curry or any dish. This way you won't taste the bitterness. This is half done. Remove it from the pan. Into the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and add half a teaspoon of each mustard seeds, fenugreek and cumin seeds, crushed garlic, a few curry leaves. Fry all these for a while. Add 1 onion, finely chopped. Fry this for about 2 minutes. I'm using 2 teaspoons of tomato paste. You can also add 1 chopped tomato. Fry this for a while till the raw flavor goes. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything well. Add fried bitter gourd, 1/4 cup of tamarind water, 1 cup of water, and let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Yummy bitter gourd gravy, serve hot with rice. I hope this video will be useful to you. Try this at home and share this with your family and friends. In part 6 of this vegetable recipe series, I'll be showing you how to make 5 different desserts. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.